Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
Sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Wonderful,
Fine,
sir.
Very good. Okay, today we're going to start. We are back again to learn English. And before we start our lesson, let's recite Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so well, actually we finished all the materials. So, but we still have one left, and it's about song. But today we are not going to learn how to sing a song. So we are going to review questions, hortatory questions. Okay. All right. So let me share the slide. So we are going to review hortatory questions. Right? Okay, so the learning purposes are you will be able to state the main idea of the text in each paragraph or the theme of the text, okay? And then also you will be able to identify specific and general information presented in the text. Why are we learning this? Because this is the frequent questions, and it's very often to happen in the question, such as a national exam or SBMPTN questions or even TOEFL questions. Okay, so that it's important to learn and how to answer this kind of question. All right, so next is, okay, I'm gonna give you several questions and you must do it very quick, within 1 minute. Okay, in every questions. Okay, so the first tag, it's about circuses should not use animals. Okay, the trick to answer the questions, as usual, we don't start reading the text. But how? We have to read the questions first. Okay, read the questions and then the text, and then you can go to the text. Otherwise you will spend too much, you spend too long in reading, because you are repeating the same reading, come back again to the question and come back again to the text. That is wasting time. Okay, you will not have enough time for answering the complete question. Right, so now I'm going to invite one or two of you to read this question and then also the text. So who will be the volunteer? Please raise your hand and turn on your microphone now. Yes, please. Who? No one? Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so who will read? Just read. Okay. Please read. Who will read? Volunteer?
Me, sir.
Okay, who's that?
Anissa, sir.
Oh, okay, Anissa. Yes, please, Anissa.
Circus should not
Now,
use
please read the
animals.
questions first. Read the questions and the options first, yeah?
Why does the writer consider Cursor inappropriate place to live for animals? A. It resembles the animal's natural habitat. B. It is the place where the animals are tortured. Tortured. C. It is the place to get public amusement. D. It provides animals bad food. E. It causes animals ill condition.
Okay, so well, these are the question. This is the question, yeah. Right. So first thing, before you answer, you must understand the question. Please understand the question carefully. Okay. Do you understand the question? Can you understand the question? Or do you find any difficult words there or the word that you don't know? Ada nggak kata-kata yang nggak tahu? Okay, where are you? Why are you so silent? Ada nggak kata-kata yang nggak tahu?
Inappropriate, sir.
Inappropriate. Inappropriate. Okay, that is the opposite of appropriate. Lawannya lah, the contrary of inappropriate is appropriate. Yeah, what does it mean? The synonym of inappropriate is not suitable. So, and then the antonym of inappropriate is appropriate, which is the meaning comfortable or suitable. Suitable, cocok ya, pantas ya. Berarti kalau inappropriate tidak pantas, tidak cocok, tidak layak. Inappropriate, ya nggak layak ya. So why does the writer consider circus inappropriate place to live for animals? Why? Why does the writer consider circus inappropriate place to live for animals?
B, sir.
In bahasa Indonesia, kenapa penulis menganggap sirkus itu tempat yang tidak pantas to live for animal, untuk tempat yang nggak pantas bagi binatang untuk hidup, nggak cocok untuk ditinggali. Why? You have to understand. Now I think you understand the questions, yeah, and then you answer. You understand the options. A, it resembles the animal's natural habitat. What does it mean? What does it mean resemble?
Menyerupai, sir.
Menyerupai, ya. It resembles animal natural habitat. Ya, just try to understand, ya. Pahami aja dulu ya. The B, it is the place where the animal are tortured. Tortured. Ya, what does it mean tortured?
Tersiksa, sir.
Ya, berarti kalau ini kan pasif, ya. Dia pasif, kalimat pasif tortured berarti disiksa. It is the place where the animals are tortured. Itu tempat di mana hewan-hewan disiksa, ya. C, it's the place to get public amusement. What does it mean amusement?
Hiburan, sir.
Hiburan, ya. Itu tempat umum untuk mendapatkan hiburan gratis atau hiburan umum, ya. Oke, D, it provides animal bad food. What does it mean? Apa mengamankan it provides? What does it mean provide?
Menyediakan, sir.
Menyediakan, right? Yaitu menyediakan, sirkus itu menyediakan makanan yang buruk. Ya. E, it cause animals ill condition. Cause, what does it mean? Membiayai. Jadi maksudnya sirkus itu membiayai hewan-hewan yang dalam keadaan kondisi sakit. Ya. So those are A, B, C, D, E. Right. Now we go back to the text. Nah, sekarang barulah kita masuk ke teksnya. Kita cobalah baca ya. Now it resemble animal natural habitat. Cocok apa enggak? Animals, okay, so I want to invite one or another student to read. Siapa yang mau baca nih? Who will read? Before was Anissa and the next is? Who's next? No one?
Let me, sir.
Who's that?
Shakila, sir.
Okay, Shakila.
Circus should not use animals. Animals should not be used in circus.
Okay.
The environment where they performed and their living
environment.
The environment when they perform and their living conditions are usually inappropriate.
What does mean inappropriate?
Tidak pantas, sir.
Nah, nggak pantas, nggak
layak.
Nggak layak. Oke, continue.
Tigers, for example, which naturally lives in the wilderness, must perform tricks on a narrow stage and spend their lifetime in a small cage.
Small cage. What do you mean cage?
Kandang, sir.
Oke, right. Kalau kita pahami di sini, ya, animals should not be used in circus. Hewan itu seharusnya tidak boleh digunakan untuk kegiatan sirkus. The environment where they perform and their living condition are usually inappropriate. Jadi lingkungan di mana binatang-binatang itu mempertunjukkan dirinya and their living condition are usually inappropriate, dan suasana atau keadaan tempat dia tinggal binatang-binatang itu biasanya gak layak. Tigers, for example, which naturally live in wilderness, must perform tricks and narrow stage and spend their lifetime in a small cage. Apa namanya? Macan. Contohnya itu yang mempunyai, yang secara alami tinggal di dalam wilderness, ya, liar, ya. But must perform tricks and a narrow stage and spend their lifetime in a small cage. Tapi dia harus perform trik-trik yang di panggung yang sempit dan menghabiskan umurnya itu di dalam kandang yang sempit itu. Kira-kira di option A, B, C, D ini ada nggak yang di situ yang nyangkut?
B, sir.
Oh enggak, dari bacaan paragraf pertama ada nggak yang nyangkut? Ada yang nggak nyangkut ininya, jawabannya? Ada apa enggak?
B, sir.
Oke, B, it is the place where the animal are tortured. Kenapa? Why? Well, how do you know? Kenapa jawabannya B?
Karena mereka terkurung, sir. Harusnya kan mereka berkeliaran begitu, sir.
Oh, oke. Ya. Ya. Tapi dia harusnya berada di alam liar, tapi dia harus perform tricks and a narrow stage and spend their lifetime in a small cage. Tersiksa nggak tuh?
Iya, sir, tersiksa.
Ya. Di sini kan juga disebut di samping. Besides, the living condition of the circus animals are poor. They live in a cramped condition most of the time. Ya, di samping ya kondisi kehidupannya di sirkus itu tidaklah nyaman atau miskin sekali. They live in a cramped condition most of the time. Ya, dia tinggal di cramped condition. Dia small. Ya, dia tinggal di tempat yang keadaan yang sempit sepanjang masa, and they actually need more space to roam. Ya, butuh tempat untuk meraup. They also do not have freedom to live with their own kind. Dia juga nggak bisa berekspresi, nggak bisa hidup dengan caranya sendiri. So we should ban the use of animal in circus and their confinement there. Okay, so what is? Ya, kita sudah selesai bahasanya. We finished already reading the text, and now what is the best option here? Why does the writer consider a circus inappropriate place to live for animals? Kira-kira sirkus itu resemble nggak natural habitat, animal natural habitat? Menyerupai alam ini nggak?
No, sir.
No. Ya, berarti A salah ya. A is wrong answer. B, it is the place where the animal are tortured. Salah apa betul?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
That's true, sir.
Oke, dan we keep B ya. Kita simpan aja dulu B. C, it is the place to get public amusement. Nyambung nggak pertanyaan dengan jawabannya? Ya, writer menganggap sirkus itu nggak pantas untuk ditempati oleh binatang. Karena kenapa? Kamu jawab C, it is the place to get public amusement. Ya, nggak nyambung ya kan? Itu adalah tempat di mana is a place to get public amusement. Apa namanya? Hiburan umum ya, hiburan kayak layar tancap gitu ya. This is not. Kira-kira begitu nggak? Yang C oke nggak?
No, sir.
Enggak,
No.
sir.
Oke, D, it provide animals bad food. No ya. It cause animals ill condition. Itu membiayai banyak biaya lah pokoknya. Kalau ada yang sakit banyak biaya. So from these 5 options, which is your answer? Mana jawaban kalian?
Sir.
B.
Sir.
It's the place
Sir.
where the
B,
animals
sir.
are tortured. Yes or no? Is it B?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Ada yang nggak setuju nggak? Ada yang nggak setuju? Jawabannya B. Okay, everybody agrees. Okay, now we continue to the next question. This one. According to the text. Nah, contoh-contoh seperti ini kalian harus baca dari awal sampai akhir ya. What is according to the text? Kalian harus baca.
Berdasarkan teks.
Kira-kira berdasarkan teks, A itu cocok apa enggak? Tigers are the most suitable animal to perform tricks. Apakah dia hewan paling besar, the most suitable yang paling pantas untuk menampilkan yang trik berupa trik-trik? Did you get that on the text? I don't think so ya. Because it said they also do not have freedom to live with their own kid. Jadi dia mau pengen pindah rumah. Next. The tigers are the smartest animals. Yes or no? Ini menurut teks ya, menurut teks. Menurut teks ya di animal. Ya, kira-kira nomor C betul apa enggak? Highlight the sequence on the animal. The highlight of the sequence is on the animals. Highlightnya sirkus itu adalah di kebolehan daripada binatang-binatang itu. The animals are the main performers in the circus. Ya, tokoh utamanya main sirkus adalah binatang. Animal receive ill treatment in circus. Hewan-hewan itu menerima pengobatan di sirkus. Ya, okay. So what is the answer? What is your answer? According to the text, yang mana yang pas?
E, sir.
Huh?
E. Animals receive ill treatment in a circus.
Animals receive ill treatment in circus. Binatang-binatang menerima pengobatan kalau sakit di sirkus. Yes or no? Mana itu? Di mana kamu dapatnya?
Perlakuan buruk, sir. Ill treatment bukan artinya perlakuan buruk.
Ah ya, oke. Animal receive ill treatment itu boleh bisa juga ya. Animal receive ill treatment in a circus. Ya, bisa-bisa ya. Binatang-binatang itu menerima perlakuan yang menyakitkan atau buruk ya dalam sirkus. Oke, that's right. Oke, ya. Jadi jawabannya mana? E atau B?
E, sir.
E atau apa tadi yang siapa yang jawab tadi ya?
E, sir.
E? Oke, ya. According to the text, animal receive ill treatment in circus. Kalau kita baca, animals should not be used in circus. Environment where they perform their living conditions are usually inappropriate. Tiger, for example, which naturally live in the wilderness, must perform tricks and narrow stage and spend their lifetime in a small cage. Besides, the living condition of the circus animal are very poor. They live in a cramped condition. They actually need more space to roam. They also do not have freedom to live with their own kind. Animal receive ill treatment in the circus. Yeah, okay, but that's right, I guess, right? Karena kalau kita pilih A, tigers are the most suitable animal to perform the tricks. Nggak ada di situ disebut. Tigers are the smartest animals. Nggak jelas juga, nggak disebut tadi. The highlight of the circus is on the animal. Tidak ada di situ fokus on animal. And the animals are the main performance in the circus. Apa iya? Nggak ada disebut di situ ya. No. So, animal receive ill treatment in the circus. Ya. Kenapa? Di sini kita bisa lihat ya, yang biasanya dia apa namanya hidup di alam liar, kini dia hidup di panggung yang sempit dan menghabiskan sisa hidupnya dalam kandang. That would be a very bad treatment, ya, ill treatment lah pokoknya. Okay, yeah, I agree that the answer is E. Okay, so we have very long here. Okay, I'm afraid. Can you read that or not? If not, then we continue again next meeting. So it's 10 past 10 now, 10 past 5. No, 10, yeah, 10, 5 past 10, sorry. Okay, so well, actually we have one more reading, but I don't think we can finish that in 5 minutes, all right? Because we need to discuss, not only finding the right answer, but need to ask, need to discuss, okay? All right, so we continue in the next meeting. I think that's all for today. Thank you for joining our class today. We close by reciting Alhamdulillah. Anybody home?
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Okay, you can leave now.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.